y'all, I wanted to take this opportunity to show y'all how these containers have filled in and grown up. I planted these in June here at my work, and remember, I made a video about it. I'll maybe try to put some pictures of the old video in here to remind you, but I went to the nursery right up the street and bought some on sale plants. They were the little 4-inch containers, and they didn't look so great, but I put them in these big containers, knowing that with water and fertilizer and sunshine and heat, that they would fill in and turn into something pretty. And I just wanted to show you how nice they look. What do you think, Charla?
I like it.
Yeah, we think they look good. We remember to water them at least, I don't know. I know they get water and fertilizer every Tuesday because that's when I'm here. And I think Bruce, the other pharmacist, I think he waters them pretty much every day. Yeah, so he's taking good care of them. But this one looks really nice. Look at the lantana. Look at how much it has grown. Has pretty white blooms. And then the container over there, it is filled in also. But yeah, I just wanted to remind y'all, don't overlook the discount plants. Even though they may not look so good at the time, they can turn into something beautiful.
Look at the red.
Do what?
The red.
Oh, yeah. This is verbena. Has pretty red blooms. This is a salvia right here, and it doesn't have any blooms on it, but the green foliage is pretty, I think. And this is Angelonia. It all looks really healthy, and it's growing vigorously. So I'm proud of it. Now y'all, next time you see an opportunity to buy some discounted plants, take them up on it and get them in some soil and start fertilizing and watering. You won't be disappointed.